Welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore one of the Python's most powerful tools for precise calculations, the decimal module. If you have ever faced weird rounding errors with floating point numbers, this is the module that fixes them. It is essential for financial systems, accounting, and anywhere accuracy truly matters. Why use decimal? You might have noticed something strange when working with floating point numbers in Python. Suppose if we add like 0.1 plus 0.2 equal to 0.2, it will give us a false answer. That's because floating point numbers are stored in binary which can't represent some decimal exactly. The decimal module solves this by using base 10 arithmetic, giving you exact results that match what we would expect in real life. So how do we import and create a decimal module? So Python uses a module imported using first from decimal import decimal. That's the module name. When you create decimal objects, always use strings, not floats, to avoid inheriting floating point errors. So here, as you have seen, we have used decimal. In the string, we have used a number like 0.1 plus 0.2. So which is going to give us an exact correct answer of 0.3. It's clean and predictable and perfect for financial math. So decimal arithmetic. The decimal module supports all arithmetic operations, addition, division, multiplication, subtraction, just like regular numbers. For example, if we want to we are like in a decimal 10.25 and we have defining another variable decimal 2.5 and we can perform all these operations on it. That makes decimal ideal for invoices, interest calculation, precise management. Setting precision and rounding. The getContest function controls how the decimal module behaves. You can change the precision number of digits globally. Rounding modes. The decimal module also gives you full control over rounding methods. For example, here x dot quantize decimal 0.1 rounding comma round half up. Here round half up is a common way bank rounds currency values. You can also use round down, round ceiling or others depending on your needs. It's especially helpful for currency formatting. Comparing decimal versus the float. From decimal, let's compare the two. 0.1 plus 0.2 with float gives us something like 0 point, like it's going to give us like much decimal. But with decimal, 0.1 and decimal plus, it will give you exactly a rounded off number. So one important note, the decimal module is slower than using the float. That because it prioritizes accuracy over the speed. So you can use decimal when we need precision, like in banking system invoices or reports. To understand overall, use decimal when you need exact results. Always create decimal from strings, not floats. Control precision and rounding using getContest, ideal for financial accounting and tax computationals. Thank you for watching this video.